money, but I want more. Yeah, yeah. Drip too hard when I come through. Black beans cool when I'm sunroof. How you a boss, you don't own shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's FIVVER Posh, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, we are doing yet another money making video. So you guys know I absolutely love side hustles. I am literally a hustler down to the bone. You guys know I am literally always picking up new hustles, and you gotta have multiple sources of income. So this video is made to help you guys figure out which side hustles will work for you and which won't. So I'm gonna get right into this video. Okay, so hopping straight into the video, the first side hustle I think has the potential to make you so much money is going to be freelancing, guys. I'm sure you watch a bunch of videos on YouTube talking about side hustles and speaking on freelancing. You guys, I just cannot stress the fact of how much money you can make on freelancing. You guys know I do a lot of different side hustles, and I feel like freelancing can make you the most money. Freelancing is when you offer services to people, like say me, I'm a business owner, so I have experience in building business websites. I also have experience in running ads for businesses. I also have experience in running social media pages. So all of that would be freelancing. And if you guys have things that you know how to do, it could be writing, you could be great at grammar. I'm not so good at grammar, so I have to outsource and hire people who are better at grammar than I am. Look, we all can't do everything, so it's good to outsource. So if there's something that you know how to do, definitely freelance it, guys. Freelance. Another plus about freelancing is you're going to be doing things that you actually love doing. This is why I love freelancing so much, because it's things that you enjoy doing. So you're not going to feel like you're working and you're going to be making tons of money and you're going to feel like, oh my God, I got this money so easy. That's how much I love freelancing. So the top platforms for you guys to market your freelancing services is going to be Skillshare, Upwork, Freelancer, and also FIVVER. But FIVVER is more for foreign countries, which I feel like that's more of a reason for you to get on FIVVER, because there are so many people that don't live in the United States who are making money from people that live in the United States. So they're going to be more likely to hire someone that lives in the US than to hire someone who is overseas. So FIVVER, I definitely recommend for you guys. And of course, I'm going to have the link below. So if you guys want to sign up for FIVVER, you can tap the link below and sign up for FIVVER and get started on your freelancing journey. Okay, so number 2 is going to be affiliate marketing. Again, there are so many people talking about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is blowing up all over TikTok nowadays, on YouTube, because it's such a great side hustle. You have the potential to make thousands of dollars just by sharing things from other companies. It could be sharing an ebook, it could be sharing a promotion, it could be sharing a product. Whatever you're sharing, you just get commission off of that once somebody orders using your code. So this is so easy. I love how there are so many different techniques for affiliate marketing. If you're an influencer like me, affiliate marketing may come easy to you because we already have the audience and we're able to reach a lot of people. But if you are unlike me, I would definitely suggest that you do affiliate marketing with Pinterest, which is super easy. You can just grab different affiliate links from different companies and you can create posts on Pinterest and link your affiliate link, and whenever somebody purchases using your link, you get commission from that. And the thing about that is that you're not showing your face. It's completely incognito. Like, anyone can do this. So I definitely recommend doing affiliate links through Pinterest. But if you are a content creator like me, it will come even easier to you, because all you have to do is promote your links to your followers, which you already have. Those of you who don't have a large following, or you don't have any following at all, I definitely recommend you get your following started on it. That gives you literally the most chances to go viral. I've been viral on TikTok so many times, and it just seems super easy to me for you to build a platform from scratch using TikTok. Instagram, I'm not really that much into Instagram these days. Okay, so the fourth side hustle is definitely one of my favorites. It's something that I actually do myself, and that is going to be selling ebooks. Or it could be selling courses or pretty much your services, which is absolutely amazing and super easy to get started. If you want to start off super easy, you just start off on Etsy. So the only thing you're going to do is sell information, like information that you know, like how my channel is dedicated to building businesses. So I sell business books. I also sell books, ebooks, and courses dedicated to people who want to become content creators, because that's something I already do and something I'm knowledgeable about. So if you have something that you're knowledgeable about and you have experience with, it could be anything: relationships, traveling, pregnancy, whatever. Just sell your information. And the easiest way to do that is to use Canva. You can use Canva to start up a ebook. You can use their ebook templates. They have cover templates. So just use Canva, create your ebook. They also have ebook templates on Etsy that you can buy and just write your ebook on that template, and it will look absolutely professional. I'm going to insert a clip of one of my ebooks and how it looks. I got the template from Etsy and I just imported it to my Canva and edited it however I wanted to. So that's super easy. An ebook, who would have thought of that? And ebooks can go from anywhere to $10 up all the way to $50 a book. And if you're getting a bunch of sales on your ebook, that's a side hustle right there. You're literally generating money in your sleep. So if you're like me and you have experience and you want to create a whole nother website just to sell your informational products, you can do that. If you're interested in checking out my service website, I'll also attach it below. I offer a lot of business services and ebooks and coaching and courses, everything on my website. I'll link it below if you guys are interested in looking at that. But yes, definitely look into selling your information. You might think like, oh, people won't pay for this. There are people who need to learn about everything. The good thing about online now, everything is online. Literally, if you are going to go to college, it's the same thing. You're going to be learning from someone with experience. It's just so much cheaper. So the fifth side hustle is going to be becoming a influencer, which is also what I do. Before I got into the whole business informational thing, I was doing influencing in the makeup niche. So you can definitely do that. There's a lot of money in that. The only thing I don't like is that it's pretty much Instagram based, which Instagram has changed so much. I feel like the only way for you to reach organic audience is to do Instagram Reels like constantly. That's the only way. Instagram has changed in so many ways, but I know that there is a lot of potential to make money on Instagram. So I've made brand deals with huge brands. I'm talking about NARS, MAC, Sephora, so many different brand deals that actually paid me to create content for them. So that's why I was doing the whole makeup thing. But now I'm not so into that. I'm into more of like educating people and spreading my knowledge. Stop! So now that I got your attention, please go ahead and take the time out and subscribe to my channel, guys. It's absolutely free and it supports me. It helps me to keep on creating these informational videos for you guys, giving you guys knowledge. All of this is free and it does take my time to create these videos. All I ask is that you subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Okay, so the last side hustle I'm going to talk about is actually, it's online based, but it's more of physical working, and is going to be meal prepping. Like, what? Meal prepping? Yes, so it's going to be meal prepping. This is actually on the rise now because there are so many people. There are just people who don't have time to cook. There are also people who are trying to convert to the healthy lifestyle, vegetarian, vegan, organic, and they just don't know how to cook. They don't know how to make these recipes. They don't know what to make. So this is where you would start your meal prep business, and you would prep these meals and put them in containers. And there are services who ship, but most likely it will be in your area. That's the only thing. It's limited. So that's the only thing with meal prepping, is going to be limited to your state, but you have the potential to make so much money, because just think about it. There are so many people who want to do the whole healthy diet and fitness, but they don't know how to make these recipes. So they end up breaking their diet, cheating their diet. But if they have all of these meals in their refrigerator already prepped, where all they have to do is take the meal out and warm it up and eat it, how much easier do you think it is? How much likely do you think it is for people to stick to their diet? So that's why this is a good idea. I've seen companies charge anywhere from $13 to $15 a plate. And that is going to be for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and they also do snack. So imagine how much money you're gonna be making when you're getting all these customers ordering 4 meals a day. Mind blowing. Thank me later. If you're watching this video, let me know in the comments if you think meal prepping would be a good idea for a side hustle. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time guys, be on the lookout for the next business video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.